So guys, Cubot's new KingKong Star 2 is definitely one of the most interesting and long-awaited rugged phones in the world right now. It is all about the Cubot flagship rugged smartphone that brings ultimate power and protection with 5G connectivity, a thin and ultra slim design in the world of rugged phones, featuring a luxurious 6.72-inch 144Hz refresh rate display. 100 megapixel camera, offers even two screens with a smaller one on the back, all powered by the excellent Dimensity 8200 processor, and with up to 24GB of RAM, Cubot now offers the ultimate rugged phone on the market, the only one you will need, so be sure to find out more and watch this KingKong Star 2 video review. Cubot KingKong Star 2 comes in a rectangular box in turquoise color with brand, model name and the photo of the device imprinted on the top. So let's start with unboxing and see what's in the box besides the smartphone. Cubot KingKong Star 2 Quick Start Guide and other paperwork. Additional screen protector. I must mention that the smartphone is already factory installed with protection. SIM pin tray. We also have this USB-C charging cable, and of course 32-watt fast charger that can quick charge this phone. Okay, that was the contents of the box, and let's move on to our smartphone. Today we're diving into a smartphone that's really to handle the extremes. This is a Cubot KingKong Star 2, a phone that promises to redefine rugged devices with both durability and high-end features. The phone offers a distinctive and modern rugged design that blends functionality with the techno-futuristic aesthetics. The KingKong Star 2 feels solid and robust in the hand, exuding quality and resilience. In the side steel frames on the right side we find the three buttons. Two of the three buttons are used to adjust the volume, while the third button serves as both the power switch and the fingerprint reader. On the left side of the phone you will find the SIM microSD tray supporting dual 5G connectivity with the 2 nano SIM cards or 1 nano SIM plus TF card with capacity of up to 1 TB. We also have this red programmable button. This button can be customized to perform various functions with the phone or install applications, and can be activated with a single click, double click or long press. Finally, at the bottom of the phone we have the USB-C charging port, which is protected by a rubber cover that guarantees the phone's IP68 waterproof rating. The front of the KingKong Star 2 is dominated by a large and luxurious 6.72-inch display with reasonably thick bezels for protection. As usual, the display casing protrudes a bit from the glass surface to provide additional protection. A V-shaped notch with the option to be hidden houses an excellent 32-megapixel Sony IMX616 selfie camera with the face unlock option that will perfectly handle all your selfies and video calls, all in Full HD 1080 pixel resolution. The light and proximity sensor together with LED notification light are placed to the right of the camera in the top bezel. The device supports on-screen gesture navigation and navigation with vertical buttons. Both options can be customized. As I already said, the KingKong Star 2 is adored with the luxurious 6.72-inch 2K display with a resolution of 1080 by 2460 pixels and a refresh rate of 144 Hz, as we only see on high-end flagship phones. Of course, corneal glass protects the screen, which delivers even 1500 nits of peak brightness, while eye protection technology reduces eye strain during long hours of use. Whether indoors or outdoors, the screen shines brightly, ensuring a premium visual experience in any environment. From the display settings, you can set the refresh rate at 60Hz, 90Hz or 144Hz. There is also option for auto refresh rate. The KingKong Star 2 screens truly shine, standing out to some of the best in the market. It features an ultra fast refresh rate, delivering fluid scrolling and an ultra responsive touch, making it ideal for gaming, browsing and streaming. Cubot has already spoiled its customers, so this time is add the small additional display located on the back of the phone. There is a 1.85-inch OLED screen that can also function as a viewfinder for selfies using the main camera, providing a versatile tool for photography enthusiasts. Its touchscreen capability opens up further possibilities such as a music control, battery status, pedometer indicator. You can also see missed calls and messages, even a monthly calendar, adding the phone's overall usability and appeal. You also have the option to change different watch faces, and when you get bored on the current one, you even have the option of putting together your own watch face if you wish. Around the screen, you can see triple camera lenses and one LED flash. The main one uses a 100 megapixel OmniVision sensor with Ultra HD photography option that gives excellent results, and it's also capable of recording videos at the maximum 4K resolution at 30 fps with impressive electronic video stabilization. It is joined by the equal decent 5 megapixel OmniVision macro lens with autofocus and a 0.3 megapixels depth sensor. The camera app used on the KingKong Star 2 is very user-friendly and easy to work with, especially when you can quickly access to the settings without switching to a different screen. Now, to get a feel for the camera performance, it's best to check out our sample photos and videos we took using our KingKong Star 2, so let's take a look. This powerhouse from Cubot is driven by the impressive MediaTek Dimensity 8200 chipset, delivering peak performance with a 3.1 GHz octa-core CPU and a robust 950 MHz Mali G610 hexa-core GPU paired with 12 GB of LPDDR5 RAM, which can be virtually expanded for additional 12 GB RAM. The KingKong Star 2 offers up to 24 GB of memory for an ultra-smooth experience, perfect for gaming, multitasking and heavy-duty applications. In terms of internal memory, the KingKong does not disappoint, with the 256 GB of UFS 3.1 storage, expandable by the additional 1 TB by the microSD card. You have ample room for all your files, games and the media, and the dedicated liquid cooling technology keeps the Dimensity 8200 running smoothly even during intensive gaming seasons, ensuring the high-performance gaming is fluid and responsible. This is without a doubt a gaming-friendly device that combines power, space and cooling, all packed into an impressive rugged phone. It is a powerhouse in terms of battery life. The KingKong Star 2 boasts a robust 5100 mAh battery designed to handle even the most demanding days with ease. And when it's time to recharge, 33-watt fast charging ensures you quickly back up and running. With up to 625 hours of standby and up to 38 hours of continuous call time, it offers reliability and endurance whenever you need it. Equipped with the latest Android 14, providing you with a clean and bloatware-free experience, and comes equipped with all Google applications and its integrated features. Furthermore, it boasts several practical pre-installed apps, including a System Manager Optimizer and a versatile toolbox, which can provide indispensable in various field scenarios. Of course, it supports global 5G connectivity, which means you can enjoy blazing fast internet speed, smoother streaming and the faster data downloads. The phone also offers impressive wireless connectivity option. It's equipped with the Wi-Fi 6, the latest Wi-Fi standard, which provides a faster speed, better signal coverage and improved battery life, so you can enjoy lag-free online gaming. Navigation is a crucial feature for outdoor adventures, and the Cubot KingKong Star 2 has you covered. Works with GPS, GLONASS, Galileo and Beidou. Our review unit managed to quickly detect huge number of satellites from all positioning systems with excellent accuracy of up to 1 meter. With these satellite position systems, you can rely on precise location tracking wherever you are. Additionally, including NFC, Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.3, it further supports connectivity options, ensuring robust and reliable communication and data transfer capabilities. The Cubot KingKong Star 2 is the ultimate rugged phone, meticulously designed to exceed the highest durability standards with no compromise. Its tough exterior, reinforced structure and MIL-STD 810H certifications enable it to withstand impacts from multiple angles, including drops on all faces, edges and corners, achieving both IP68 and IP69K protection levels. The KingKong Star 2 is thoughtfully shielded like a true warrior in extreme conditions. In conclusion, the Cubot KingKong Star 2 impressed with its slim silhouette and strong structure, combining elegance and resilience. The additional 1.85-inch rear screen brings practical information, while the superb 100-megapixel main camera and the 32-megapixel front camera enable great photos and videos. Powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 8200 processor with 12 GB of RAM, expandable of up to 24 GB and 256 GB with ultra-fast 144 refresh rate on the screen. This KingKong Star 2 provides a flagship performance ideal for gaming, multitasking and heavy tasks, becoming such an impressive rugged phone that we don't often see. If you're ready to make the Cubot KingKong Star yours, check out the official purchase links below this video. Now's the perfect time to take advantage of special promotional pricing, but act fast, limited quantities are available. Don't miss your chance to own the rugged and powerful KingKong Star 2 while it's still on the offer. And that wraps up this review. We'll catch you in the next video. Until then, don't forget to like, subscribe and stay tuned for more. Take care and see you soon. Bye.